ZANU PF secures Makonde Ward 8 seat uncontested. By Nunyurai Yena Vertical Bar, the 16th of August 2025. Makonde, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZEC, has declared ZANU PF candidate Bothwell Madhishi the winner for Ward 8 in Makonde Rural District. After his only rival pulled out of the race, the announcement was made on Thursday by ZEC Makonde District Elections Officer Shepard KUTYA at the council's offices in Lion's Den. KUTYA confirmed that all nomination papers submitted were in order, with no rejections recorded by the close of the nomination period. Initially, Madhishi was set to face independent candidate Everest Shandager, but Shandager withdrew before the deadline, leaving the ZANU PF candidate uncontested. Neither of the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, factions led by Sengiz TSHABANGU and James Timba fielded candidates in the ward, further highlighting the opposition's organizational struggles. The development secures another rural seat for ZANU PF, as the party consolidates its dominance in areas where the opposition has struggled to establish a foothold.